The Creating Your Own Auto Configuration subsection of the Core Features section has the following subsections. Understanding auto-configured beans, locating auto-configuration candidates, condition annotations, testing your auto-configuration, creating your own starter. The Kotlin support subsection of the Core Features section has the following subsections. Requirement, node safety, Kotlin API, dependency management, add configuration properties, testing resources. The SSL subsection of the core features section has the following subsections. Configuring SSL with Java key store files, configuring SSL with PEM encoded certificates, applying SSL bundles using SSL bundles. Web section covers servlet web, reactive web, embedded container support, graceful shutdown, and more. Web section has the following subsections. Servlet web applications, reactive web applications, graceful shutdown, Spring Security, Spring Sessions, Spring for GraphQL, Spring HATOAS, HATOAS. The servlet web application subsection of the web section has the following subsections. The Spring Web MVC framework, JAX-RS, and Jersey embedded servlet container support. The reactive web application subsection of the web section has the following subsections. The Spring Webflux framework, embedded reactive server support, reactive server resources configuration. The Spring Security subsection of the web section has the following subsections. MVC Security, Webflux Security, OAuth 2, SAML, SAML 2.0. The Spring for GraphQL subsection of the web section has the following subsections. GraphQL schema, GraphQL runtime wiring, query DSL and query by example repository support, transport exception handling, GraphQL, and schema printer. Data section covers SQL and NoSQL data access. Data section has the following subsections. SQL databases working with the NoSQL technologies. The SQL database subsection or the data section has the following subsections. Configure a data source using JDBC template, JPA, and Spring Data JPA, Spring Data JDBC, using H2's Web Console, using JOQ, using R2DBC. The working with NoSQL technology subsection of the data section has the following subsections. Redis, MongoDB, Neo4j, Elasticsearch, Cassandra, Couchbase, LDAP, InfluxDB. I/O section covers caching, Quartz scheduler, REST client, sending emails, Spring Web Services, and more.